If you're a student trying to stay on top of assignments, organize notes, and polish papers before the deadline hits, this video is for you. Between lectures, projects, and exams, managing everything can get overwhelming, but the right tools can make a huge difference. Whether you're studying from home or hustling between classes, using a few smart devices and apps can seriously make a difference. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's level up our productivity. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 tools every student should be using right now, from a powerful device that makes note-taking easier to software that simplifies editing and writing. If you're ready to save time, stay organized, and boost your grades with the smarter setup, let's get into it. Now, you know I'm always talking about the Recollex. So let me show you what I use for recording when I interview people, when I use for my podcast, when I use it for school. Okay, so let me show you right now. This is it. It's so cute. It comes with a cute little velvet bag. It has little drawstrings on it. Has the MagSafe ring. It also comes with a USB converter. Okay, so you want to get started. Boom. Scan this with your phone. All right, and you can download all the information. The website gives you everything. You got to download the app. Now, I just want to tell you real quick what the lights mean, okay? So this is the magnetic port right here. It's magnetic, and you charge it. Boom. So you charge that up. When it's charging, you will know it turns green. This right here, you can turn it on manually on this button. These 2 small buttons up top is the microphone, okay? So now, if it is flashing blue, the data is transferred, okay? Now, if it's flashing really quickly. If it is flashing slowly, it is pairing up with Bluetooth, all right? If it's recording, it will be a solid red dot right there, red light. Also, if it stops recording, the light goes off. The red light goes off. If it's paused, the red light flashes. So remember, I told you, you can pause from your phone. You do not have to run up to the front of the class. You're recording your professor. Excuse me, professor, excuse me. And press the button on your recorder. No, you can do this from your phone because remember, you paired it with Bluetooth. So now you can sit in your lecture hall at your seat, control it. You can record it, pause it, turn it off without interfering with the lecture. That's the difference. You understand? This is new school. This is how you do it. And it's so small, you could keep it right in your little case, keep it in your bag, your purse. I walk around with this all day long. It really works. I'm going to show you how. So we're setting up the Recollex. You have to allow it so Bluetooth can be synced with your phone. Okay, it has intelligent speech to text, AI writing, cloud sync, and sharing. Okay, portable recording. You can log in with the Google, Apple, or your email. So it's very easy to log in. It has Mind Map AI Pro. All right, it is so simple to set up. Okay, I connected with Bluetooth. You have the microphone right there. It also has so many support. It supports AI conversations, multi AI conversations, and it also has a support system as customer service online. So if you have any questions, check out their customer service. This device is so simple to set up. Okay? A 10-year-old can do it. All right. So it's set up, it's paired so quickly. Let me tell you, you can record these long lectures, live transcription, simultaneous interpretation, face-to-face translation, and import files. I'm going to show you a live recording. All right. I'm going to show you it works. And I do this all day long. I'm recording right now. Recollex is the real deal. I'm using it every day. I've been using this for quite some time now. I'm telling you, I've been using it on interviews. I use it for school. I use it for when I'm doing podcasts, when I'm thinking of new ideas, new side hustles. I carry this in my bag. I'm like this all day long. I'm always thinking of a way to make some money. And I'm telling you, so much information is on my Recollex. So now it is syncing my recording, and it's also gonna transcribe it for me. That go. It's always on me. I'm doing interviews. I use it professionally. I also use it for school. You know, I'm a graduate student working on my second master's degree, and I use it to record professors with permission, and I use it to transcribe a lot of my information. Sometimes I have thoughts and ideas for content for my channel. I'm recording those ideas. So Recollex is with me all day. Okay, there you have it. You've seen the transcript every second. If a professor is asking for a transcript and they need every word and the minutes, you have it. It's very simple, very easy. It's easy to record, easy to transcribe. It's very easy and it's portable. Okay, I'm on PDFelement. All right, so now I'm going to show you what you could do with PDFelement. I am uploading a page that I had some information from ChatGPT. Look at this. I'm editing on a PDF. You know for a fact you cannot edit on a PDF, and I'm doing that right now. Okay, so now look, I indented and I'm moving it down a little bit because I'm going to add a image. You can add an image right from PDFelement. Look, they have images for you. They will generate an image. All you have to do is prompt it. So I put in planet Saturn. Okay, now it's going to generate an image. You have different styles. Look at the different styles. I'm going to pick anime. Look at that. That is fabulous. I'm going to add this. If you're a student, this is what you want to do. You write books and you want to add information onto your books. If you're a student, this is how you do it. Put your picture, your image in with your story or whatever it is. If you're a student and you have to hand in a paper and they want some images on your paper that you're writing, this is how you do it. You need PDFelement so you can write on PDFelement and edit on it. So now I'm aligning it right now. You could do it manually or you could do it with the tools. Okay, so I'm going to change the font size from 10 to 12, and then Saturn, I highlight it. I'm highlighting it and I'm going to bold it. You can see the font is Arial, and I'm going to just center it. And there you go. You can also change the language. Let's say you want this in a different language. You can do that as well. Okay, so now we are doing Grammarly. I stand by Grammarly. Expert advice at your fingertips. Yes, they really help you with your grammar, your spelling, little small errors. It can take a paper that may be a B and help it to become an A. I'm telling you, I recommend if you're a student or you like to write, even professors, check out Grammarly. This is the real deal. Okay, these are the different payment plans they have available. And they even have a free account. But I'm telling you, the pro is where it's at. All right. I use it every day. Now, I'm going to show you a very poorly written paper that I got from ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you what Grammarly can do to it. All right. Now, let's make it an academic paper, APA. Now look at this. It's about cheese, by the way. Cheese, like super important in the world. Okay. Now look how it's written. Look at this. Well, Grammarly is going to correct everything. Look, it shows you how it should be. If you like it, press accept. The paper is about cheese. Look how it's fixing it. Line by line. Okay. And It will let you know if you need a punctuation, if you left out parenthesis, anything like that. And the tone doesn't sound confident. It will let you know. You can correct that also. Grammarly will get you on. It'll hit every line that needs to be fixed. And then it'll tell you if it's looking good. That's what I like. It'll say, okay, looking good, it's confident, it's clear, it's ready. You know what I mean? And now you can look over, see little things you might have to fix. But it will take a paper that might be a C or B and make it an A. Look at the difference. Cheese is super important worldwide. And it gives you, look at the difference. Look, it's clear, the tone, and then you can check the performance. The word count, it gives you such details. Is it readable? How long does it take to read? How long does it take to, if you're speaking it, if you're going to speak it out, say it out loud, how long will it take? The vocabulary, how many unique words, how many real words was used in that article that you've written? Is it average? Is it above average? I try to make sure all my papers are above average. Okay? You should do the same. That is so important. Want to take your studying to the next level? The Recollex device makes it easy to capture lectures, notes, and ideas without missing a thing. So you can focus on learning instead of scrambling to write everything down. If you're ready to make studying smarter, not harder, grab yours using the link in the description down below. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try learning with Recollex. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.